All right. What you think, boys and girls? 1 acre. Well, just a little bit under. That's what I did this morning. I used a 2-row bottom plow. Of course, flipped it. And now got the disc collier and busted up all the chunks and knocked down all the grass. And of course, I got stuck this morning with that 2-row bottom plow. Right over there. I bottomed out so bad that I had to get the trusty old draught to pull myself out. Oh yeah, the draught came to the rescue. All right, let's get down off this thing. Howdy, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well on this beautiful Mother's Day. Oh yeah. Farmer Tom here. All right, I decided to get busy. And I haven't figured out what I'm gonna plant yet, but the bottom line is I gotta get everything ready to go. Anywho, right? Okay. All right, this looks pretty good, man. Now, I still gotta set the rows and then figure out exactly what to plant. I'm gonna plant one crop, one thing, okay? Could be corn, could be, I don't know what. I don't know what yet. So we're just gonna have to wait and see on that one. I'm gonna do some research. And I'm going to be back out here tomorrow. I've got to cut the grass over here. The grass in the field is tall, buddy. But you can see what it done. It done a great job. Perfect. I mean, just absolutely perfect. And I don't even know what I'm doing. Looks pretty good to me. Lines are straight. Carved out a nice, this width right here is exactly the same width as over here. So I think I did a pretty good job. There she is. My boy right there. Now this is a county line. Disc collier, and it's doing pretty good, man. What can I say? It's done a great job. Hit a few rocks, but not many rocks out here. All right. Fun, fun, fun. Oh yeah, fun on the farm. Got my cowboy hat on, got my tractor in the background, bulldozer in the background on a hot 93-degree day in North Carolina. And we're out here. Let me tell you something. I don't want to be a farmer full time. I'll say this to you guys. If you depend on me to feed you, you're all going to starve. Because this is some hard work. We're going to see. I'll see you guys on another day. You guys have a blessed day. Enjoy your mothers. And, well, on Mother's Day, of course, bring her some flowers and some treats and take her out to dinner. And I'll catch you guys on another off-grid farm video. Tom out of here. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Y'all be good now, you hear?